Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Telegram to your Whop account. If you want to link your Telegram account to Whop, the process is quick and straightforward. Connecting the two accounts can help streamline access and make sure your account setup is complete. We'll walk through exactly where to click and what to expect on screen so you can follow along easily. To begin, go to the Whop homepage. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the correct Whop account before moving forward. Starting from the homepage gives you a simple way to access your account settings without needing to search through different menus. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can access personal settings and account-related options. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to look for your profile image or account icon in that upper right area. Next, click on the settings icon. This is where Whop keeps the main controls for managing your account preferences, profile details, and external connections. Opening settings is the key step that takes you from your dashboard into the area where account integrations are managed. Once you're in settings, click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically designed for linking external platforms and services to your Whop profile. It's the place where you can review which accounts are already connected and add new ones when needed. In the Connected Accounts section, click on Telegram. This will begin the Telegram connection process. At this stage, Whop will direct you to the appropriate setup flow so the two platforms can be linked securely. After selecting Telegram, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your device or whether you're already signed into Telegram, so just carefully read each screen as you go. In general, you may be asked to confirm access, approve the connection, or continue through a verification step. As a helpful tip, make sure you complete the process all the way through and wait for confirmation that the account has been connected successfully. If anything doesn't load right away, refreshing the page or reopening the connection flow can sometimes help. And that's it. Once the on-screen steps are completed, your Telegram account should be connected to your Whop account. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you get everything set up smoothly.